So if you wanted to connect your hosting domain into WordPress, if you have got your hosting and your domain, now let's turn that blank slate into the WordPress powerhouse. If you bought your domain and hosting together, you're already pre-linked, but I'll show you how to finalize the setup so your site goes live instantly. So on your H panel dashboard, you want to click into the option that says add website, and you can choose WordPress as your own platform. So directly here into hosting, what you wanted to do is to first sign in. And when you chose to add your own website into the left section where it says websites, you wanted of course to try to use a specific plan in order to have access directly into it. Once you have now successfully done this element, usually what I need to do now is to make the migration. So WordPress usually has the migration where you can just create an account totally for free into WordPress inside hosting. So do not use the administrator as your username, because choose something unique and use the generic passcode. Tools for the maximum security is a must do. So under your choose a domain, you wanted to select the domain you just bought because it's the same account, and the hosting already knows the name servers are correct. If you don't know anything that I'm just telling you, basically what you can do is to go into the hostinger of the WordPress let's say article, and basically what you can do is to check out how does the WordPress actually works with the actual hosting. The process actually it's not that hard. Actually, it's going to be really easily. So hosting will now copy the WordPress files to your server. It usually takes less than 60 seconds here. So to double check the connection, click into the domains that appears here into domains, and click into the element that has a green active status, which is your golden. For hosting to WordPress, your name server should always be something like NS1 DNS parking or NS2 DNS parking. If they aren't, click check change and reset them to the actual default, and you're actually good to go. If you plan on using Hostinger business emails, keeping the name server is vital because it auto configures your mail records so you don't end up in the spam folder. One of the greatest tools of Hostinger is that since this one works with WordPress, basically all of these elements will be done automatically, so you don't need to do absolutely anything else, and this can be done directly from the actual hosting. So take that in mind before you want to get started with a web hosting. If you have a hosting domain and you wanted to connect with a specific website that you currently have directly here into WordPress, what you need to do is to make sure that directly into your settings view, you wanted to check out the settings of how you can actually change the name servers directly in here. So you wanted to go for the option that says transfer the site, go for transfer, and confirm the new owner. I strongly recommend you that your own WordPress website is going to be generated directly into Hostingo, so you don't have any trouble there. So Google will flag your site as unsafe without an SSL, so you want to click into the security tab, and Hostinger will be providing you a free unlimited SSL. So install it, usually take up to 5 minutes, and you're actually good to go. So the auto install check name servers and activate SSL. Your hosting domain is now to the home of your new WordPress site, and you're actually good to go. So if you have any questions, you can let me know to the link in the comments below. Thank you once again for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And well, hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you guys next time.